TikTok and YouTube alike. I'm going to show you how to use this. If y'all don't know how to use this, and if you don't know who I am, I'm 4King Plus Rock for YouTube and TikTok. Please follow me on TikTok. And if you guys are coming from TikTok, please subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to show you to use this. First off, you do this. Hold it like real tight. Keep your fingers away from the blade. Keep it tight up against right here. See? And you can hold it like this, away from the blade. And this is supposed to act as your guard. Now, I'm going to show you how to like really get somebody. You're going to draw it back right here. You can't see it. You're going to draw all the way back to right here. And then you're going to go like, or you draw it right here. Now, I do not condone murder, so I recommend that you use this to use for like a tool, or if you absolutely need it for anything, like a self-defense. But anyways, this has been Switchblade with 4King Plus Rock. God bless y'all, everybody.